Okay, everyone, so we're going over homework number 10. I had to rename the numbers because I don't count quizzes as homeworks also anymore. So I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say here. So this is homework number 10, okay, for Tuesday because we didn't have school yesterday. So this Thursday you have a quiz, and on the quiz Thursday, 2 of the questions will include what you're about to see on the screen here. So we're gonna do this twice, just to make sure that you understand it, and then we'll go from there, okay? All right, so the question here says, the scale drawing below represents the sides of a ramp. So it's a triangle. It's a right triangle, as a matter of fact. In the scale drawing, 1 inch equals 4 feet. So right here, as soon as I see that, I'm gonna write down the scale. So 1 inch represents 4 feet. And I'll put a box around it, right? Because all the scales have like boxes around them, okay? Now, let's see. So they want to know the area of the side. So basically, they want to know the area of this triangle here, right? So now, that means we need to convert 4.5 and 5.5 into feet, right? So now 4.5, now you can do this by using a proportion. So we'll do the old-fashioned way first, and then there's a faster way to do this, as you can probably tell. So, okay, 1 inch is 4 feet. 4.5 inches is how many feet? So I'm going to cross multiply and divide. So 4 times 4.5. That's 18. 18 divided by 1 is 18. So this is 18 here. 18 feet, okay? So same thing here, 1 inch is 4 feet. 5.5 inches is how many feet? So that should be 22, right? Yes, sir. All right, so this is 22. Now, you're not done yet, which is why the homework, I didn't give you as many questions as last week. So now you have to find the area of a triangle. By the way, if you want to do this the short way, 1 inch is 4 feet, right? So 4.5 times 4 gives you the 18. Same thing here, gives you the 22. Now, we're not done yet. Here we need to find the area of the triangle. So how do you find the area of a triangle? Yeah, it's base times height divided by 2, right? So what's the base? Right here, right? So this is the base. I should use a different color. Help you see it. Base. This is the height. So we're going to multiply these two numbers using the real numbers. So 22 times 18. All right, so 22 times 18, base times height is 396. All right, that's a very nice number. And then we're going to divide it by 2, because technically, like, imagine, right? If this was a rectangle, you do base times height, you get the area, right? So the area is 396 for this rectangle. However, this is not a rectangle. It's a triangle, so we need half of it. We need to cut this down in half. So divided by 2, 198. Okay, so that's 198. So I'm going to put the answer here. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go over the next one faster so you don't have to spend too much time watching this. Okay? And if you don't understand how I got this, you can just rewind and watch it, actually. So you know what? I'm going to save you some time, actually. If you didn't understand how I did it, rewind and play it slower and see how I did it again, because when I make these videos, I'm always in a hurry. You know, so sometimes I make mistakes and things like that. So just go backwards, play it again, and so that way, if you understood it, you don't have to rewatch the same thing. You know what I'm saying? So, and this is the answer key, by the way, in case you want to like press pause and take a look. Okay, so if we want to press pause, take a look, and that's how we got our answer. Okay, so why don't I keep this short? Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys in school tomorrow. Okay, all right, bye now.
OMG, that was so good.